Okay, this is the main page on this thing here. I'm going to press this program number 5 in here. Show you that the steps. Each step here is the start of getting the thing located in the position you want it to be located. First one is a rotation. You just set that at 0. And the second step is to set the lower roller at a gap of 6.5 millimeters. So then I just page down here and it's going to the next step here. The left roller is the front roller here. The left is if you're facing the end of the machine there. It's on the left hand side and the right hand side towards the end where the roller opens up. Okay, the right roller is the rear roller here, and I'm setting this at 41.2. It looked like a good spot for using that as a backstop position, so that you stick the metal in the machine here. The front roller at 250 is level right here. You slide the metal in there, and then it clamps it and it runs it through there. So then the rear roller, then it clamps the lower roller to 5 millimeters here. Then it goes to the right roller goes down to 250, and then the material rolls in 150 millimeters in. And then the rear right roller goes to 70 millimeters. It's bending the material up. And then it rotates it 558 millimeters. And so forth until it rolls the material here, and then the rear roller adjusts down to 110 millimeters, and it gets a little bit less tight of a bend, more gradual bend, and it keeps feeding it forward, rotates it forward, drops the rear roller down a little bit farther, rolls it farther forward, and it rotates it a little farther, and then the roller goes down a little bit more, and keeps rotating it farther and farther forward. Okay, so anyhow, data storage here, this is program 5 here, and you can store up to probably 999 programs here. You just upload the program there and you store it. You store it, hit store here, and it stores it if you're setting a new program. And then if once you type in this number here, this 005, enter, and you can upload it by just pressing upload. So it uploads 5 here. So all right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. I'm just gonna let it go through there right now. I wanted to cut another piece of material here that's late on Friday here. I'll be sending you another video here of this thing doing some more stuff here. Now this is the automatic screen here. This is where the program ended at. First it's going to reset itself to 0 and go to the initial starting position. And what you do is when this machine gets to the spot where you want it, where it's in the starting spot, you hit the pause button, and then you put the material in there. Right now it's resetting back to the starting position from where it was at from the last time it was run. The rear roller is going to the stopping point, 41.2. And now it's going to, it's recalibrating the lower roller there and setting it to 0, or very close to 0. pause at any time and then start. Okay, you should probably go around to the rear of the machine. You can see the rear roller is going down. And then it clamps. The material's already clamped. Now it's feeding it forward. And then it goes back up again. And now it's bending the material. It's getting the first tight bend going here. Now, this is the part that it bent here, is down here, right here. So it goes up and now it feeds it forward a ways. Stops. Comes down a little bit. Feeds it forward some more. Stops. And feeds it forward some more. Stops. Side over here, this roller on the front side here is going to come up, and when it reaches the last spot here, and bend the tail end of the part up a little bit and then back down again, and then it's done. I should have it going forward and reversing a little bit here to get that flat spot at the end out of it. It would take the flat spot out if it was forward and reversing here, but I'm going to do a better program here so it does it. Anyhow, now the part is done. What you do is you lower the main roller. You lower the main roller down. You can remove the part, or you can open up the roller like this, pull the part out. Okay. Basically so. You can manually operate it now, and it's giving you the position right here. 260 is all the way open. That's the front roller on the machine. The rear roller, you can't see that, it's going up and down. The thing to do would be to do the parts manually in the machine and take a note of what the numbers end up being in the manual mode here. You know, you can. This is the rotation dimension here. Everything's in millimeters. 25.4 millimeters is an inch. And right roller, the yellow is the left roller, and the lower roller, the pinching roller, is the green roller here, or the lower roller.